Cocoa begins in humid belts, Ivory Coast, Ghana, Ecuador, Brazil. Before chocolate tastes like chocolate, it has to transform. Microbes' time flavor is built here. Then the sun locks the change in place. Act, wade, and move toward the ocean. Tons of cocoa travel quietly so a small candy can be loud. Shells start as syrup and end as glassy crystal. For peanut varieties, the center becomes a different engineering problem. Roasting changes texture so it survives coating and time.
Milk and cocoa butter soften the bite from the inside.
Color is not decoration, it is identity. Once here, everything becomes controlled. Temperature, humidity, time. Before candy cleanroom discipline. The center begins as a controlled flow. Fat and solids balanced for snap and melt. Sweetness is added, but smoothness is earned. A small ingredient that makes flow possible. Particles shrink so the tongue feels silk, not grit. Time scrubs edges off flavor. Crystal structure decides the snap. Shape first, shell later. Different centers, same demand for uniformity. Stability is built by temperature, not hope. Now the shell begins, one thin layer at a time. Wet, then dry, repeated until it becomes armor.
Air sets the layer before the next one arrives. Do this enough times, and a liquid becomes a shell.
The sound changes when the shell is ready. Color is applied like paint, but it has to behave like chemistry. Uniformity is the real color.
Every batch is tuned to match a memory.
The shell has to be hard without being fragile. Drying is not just removal. It is structure. Even the quiet color has to be exact. Cooling locks the shell into its final strength. That gloss is protection and a signature look. The factory's heartbeat is rotation. Then comes the mark applied at speed.
A tiny hit of ink placed with machine certainty. Even the final detail needs drying time.
Cameras catch what humans can't every second.
Millions of pieces still measured to the gram.
Safety checks sit quietly in the background. And when the run ends, the factory resets to zero.
Packaging is the final protective shell.
Each drop is counted, checked, repeated. From loose pieces to ship-ready order.
And the factory's work leaves before most people wake up. A small candy, built by layers, carried by millions.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process from GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation with human creativity guiding each step. This content is originally produced using a combination of AI tools and human input and does not reuse or replicate copyrighted material without transformation. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and fully complies with all 2026 YouTube monetization policies.